Good morning, everyone. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get rid of that pop-up that says, please enter your keychain password. Even if you've entered it and if it doesn't go away, it'll always bother you as you are working on anything. So let's find a solution for this. So that's what this tutorial is all about. So I'm going to show you how to successfully reset the password for the keychain. Let's begin this tutorial. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to click on Finder. Finder is the happy face icon right over here. After we do that, we're going to click on the button that says Applications. After we do that, we're going to double click a folder known as Utilities. After we do that, we're going to click on something that says Keychain Access. We have to double click on this. Okay, so the next thing that we have to do is we're going to go all the way to the top left of the screen where it says Keychain Access, and we're going to single click on it. After that, we are now going to click on Preferences. And then after that, all you need to do is to click on Reset My Default Keychains. And then after that, your keychain will be reset, and then you'll be good to go. If you have found this tutorial to be helpful, please rate, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.